Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change our cabin air filter on this Honda Accord. So if your Honda Accord look like this, doesn't matter if it's 2022 or 2018, it's going to be the same procedure to change your cabin air filter. Excuse the mess. So first what you want to do is open the glove box and take out these stuff, and then we're gonna need to squeeze in each side of the glove box. So right here you squeeze that hook, it's gonna drop a little bit and you can leave it right there, or you can use your two hand, squeeze both sides in at the same time. Once you bring it down past the hook like that, the next step you're gonna do is hold this right here and push down on it. So you push down on it and that's gonna release it, so you can pull down more on the glove box. So you just need to get that out the way. Up under here now, you're gonna see the arrows pointing the direction of the airflow, even though majority of the car airflow gonna be pointing down. So make sure you set the filter of the new one with the airflow pointing down. So go ahead, squeeze in on both sides. So this is what the end look like right here. So you just want to squeeze this side in right here like that, and then squeeze the other side in like that as well. And once you squeeze the end in, you're gonna see the filter and you can see how dirty it is. So look at this, guys. So you want to make sure you change your cabin air filter, or you can be harming yourself breathing in all these dirty stuff, smelling these stuff, and this can give your car a bad odor too. So keep up with this. So guys, you want to get your filter, you can get whatever filter you like or whatever brand filter you like. Take it out the box. Make sure the arrow for your airflow is pointing down like this, say, and then you just want to go ahead and install it so it doesn't go in that way, because it leave gaps on the side. So turn it like this, the same way you take out the other filter. So you don't have to worry about putting it the wrong way, because you will know it won't be able to close here because the filter gonna stick out too much and you're gonna have a large gap on the side. So like that, yeah. So you will know you're putting it the right way. So nice little trick what you can do, get some air freshener, whichever air freshener you have or like, just spray a little on there, make sure air flow down, and this guy will have your whole car smelling sweet once you turn the AC on. Then you want to have this, set this cover the same way. You take it off, clip that in just like that. So guys, after you clip it in, you just want to make sure everything is all nice and tight, everything's set properly. So once everything's set properly, you can come and push this back up and also hook this in, hook it back where it goes, and then you just push this back. You can try it out, make sure it locked properly, and then you can just put back the stuff in the car and you're done with it. That's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.